Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi and it's a hair video. So we are doing a $12 blow dried, like kinky straight vibe ponytail. I don't know why I used so many words just now, but y'all seen the thumbnail. So I couldn't find the beauty supply store what I was looking for, and I didn't have time to have it delivered, but I found this one, which I think is close to what I want, and I'm gonna like comb it through to make it look even more like a blowout texture. But I think we're pretty close. It was $12. We love affordable things. FreeTresses, Natural Girl, Drawstring Pony, texturized for hair that blends effortlessly. And if I can find it online, I will link it down below. I'm excited because I haven't been styling my hair at all and I have somewhere to go. So my hair is washed, deep conditioned, detangled, and then I put on some like hair moisturizing leave-in spray, like a watery vibe. It's like 80% dry right now. I'm going to untwist, apply some of the Olaplex heat protecting oil, and blow dry. And I'm not going to be using a lot of like gel or stylers because I want to be able to take the ponytail out and still have a functional blowout, like to do other things with. I don't want to blow my hair out and then fill it with gel that like I can't do anything else. So I'm gonna be quiet, get to work, and then I'll be back when my hair is all blown out. I mean, y'all will see me doing that, but I mean like, you know, for the styling portion of the video. Alright, so the hair is blow dried. I feel like the roots could use a little bit more blow drying, but I'm not gonna stress myself out. It's actually pretty good. Yes ma'am. If it would stay, I would definitely wear it out, but in Miami it wouldn't even last like 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna put it on top of my head. Into like a top knot. I like this method because it requires basically no tension. I feel like when you want to slick back your hair in its natural state, it can be really hard to slick it. I'm tired. This is an extreme sport. Alright, so I'm just gonna twist this and wrap it around itself and like a knot. And I didn't even need to use a brush. I didn't need to use any gel or anything to get my hair decently laid down. And I'm gonna put on my ponytail. It's giving Supremes. I don't know if I should bring the ponytail a little lower, if that will help. like so you can't really see the top of it. I don't want to take this out at all, so I'm just gonna kind of mush it back, so the ponytail is gonna be a little bit more back. See if it helps. I'm really not mad at this. Let me do a little bit of edges, but I'm not even gonna put any gel. I think that my hair texture looks pretty good next to the puffy pony. So I'm gonna do a little bit of edge stuff and we're gonna close the video out. This African Pride Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax is, I wanna say, my favorite. Y'all know I never really do no crazy edges anyways, but this is a really nice edge control. It holds it down. And I like that, like, even if I don't put on a scarf and let this sit, it's still gonna give me really good, decent results. I really like this. This is so different for me, but I really like this. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like blowing out my hair, like the texture looks so much like the ponytail texture, and it's really complementing it a lot. I'm gonna lay my edges with like a little scarf before I leave the house, but I want to close the video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. This is my first time in a long time doing a pony like this, and it's taking some getting used to, but I like it. Give the video a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you guys in the next one.